Can okay, so I just opened a social media on Scratch. So if you want to learn more clarification and other stuff, please stick on. And I apologize for any inactivity on my YouTube. And I'm sorry to say, but there are some background noises, and I kind of have a little cold, so please be considerate, be okay. So let's go down here. So ImagePost. So as you can see, here is the model. It's called ImagePost. Start painting with social media by the one and only me. And if you haven't checked me out, you should go to my profile. Yeah, you should go to my profile over here, and then you see this? This is my profile. Now I'm logged in here, but you should follow that blue button. It used to be here. I don't know. Maybe it's not there for me, but enough time for those boring intros and stuff like that. So, ImagePost has a slogan, like a motto. It's called "Start Painting." So let's just read this a little, okay? Sorry for that. Welcome to ImagePost. Okay. Welcome to ImagePost, the social media made in Scratch. You can upload images and share them online by using codes. Learn how to upload by going to the social media itself. Blah 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 blah. This link is ImagePost. ImagePost focuses on kids learning about the outside world and learning about stuff they might use, such as Twitter or Facebook. I always wanted a Twitter account, but I'm not old enough. Fortunately, I have YouTube. ImagePost is similar to these, only it's for practice for scratchers to start learning how to use social media. Inspirations: YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Scratch, it's 50% media, and Reddit and Blogger. Okay, so there you have it. That's the studio. So now we're going to zoom out. Yep, we're zooming out. Then we're gonna go to ImagePost. And this is in demo mode. So, as you can see here, it says, for people who have eyesight problems and don't have glasses or contacts, a separate ImagePost is developing for you. So, for all you people, like, let's say you're farsighted or nearsighted, but your glasses or contact lenses hadn't come yet, or you're planning on getting them but not now. So what you do is very simple. Just go to a different one, but I'm still developing it, so just use your mom's glasses or something. I don't know, they can help. So ImagePost, you can only upload images. You can add text or special effects to them, but to make those effects permanent, you need to go into the comments. Okay, as you can see there. So let's see. So here's how you should do it. So there's different settings, such as, so here are the settings for, so you can add text, brightness, color, and much more. But if you want them to be permanent, you need to type to me in the comments that, hey, I want my image to have 2 notches of color. 2 notches of color means I'll change the color by 20 and 10 changes of And that would mean I would do 100 changes. That would mean the brightness change would be 100, which I don't recommend. You can also add text by saying I want text, and you have to choose between website text or scratch text. And you have to choose the color. If it's website text, I can't really do anything. It's just text. So, let's go into see inside and let's see how this works. So ImagePost featured no one. This has only one view. So I'd really like you to hit that like button for your approval. So ImagePost, and we have featured no one. Be the first one to get their art in. You should do that. And over here, I got the image from cooltext.com, but nobody cares about that. Let's go on to the uploading. So post and search. I'm having a little bit of trouble on this, on how to select it. As you can see, here's the issue. But let's do post and search. And, oh man, not again. You see, there's still some glitching. Yeah, that's sad. So I guess this sucks. But it's still at a first. So we can now click the arrow. And now it disappears. That's actually part of it. Now, here's the thing. When I do an example code, when I pull up an example code, the code will be you have to press the green flag to go back. But I'll go through a playthrough. And let's just do tutorial because we're all in a tutorial. How to use ImagePost. Zoom in to see text if you need to. I already zoomed in the text, so no need to thank me. What may be coming up is profiles. Just type your friend's username in the codes. If it isn't there, ask your friend to make a piece of art and share it with me. There's also repost. Want to make an image post? Use the repost button. It's sort of like remix on Scratch. And then featured. I might add featured images. They may be replaced. So this is also based on Scratch. So almost all of them are based on Scratch. I mean, profiles are on Scratch. And the repost isn't really that inspired of Scratch. It's actually more of a Facebook and Twitter thing. And then featured is about Scratch. I mean, have you ever checked the explore page on Scratch and then you see some very good animations? Then the actual stuff in the media. Image sharing. If you made a piece of art and you want it here, just share the link. Then I will give a code for you so you can open it and you can add effects with it. But for them to be permanent, you need to ask in the comments, okay? And say stuff like here's some extra examples. I already did the text walkthrough. It says I want the text to be bruh in the picture and make the text red. And the color effect to be turned up by 3 notches. That means I'll click the color effect 3 times. And then we have this guy shooting another guy. I hope Scratch doesn't take it down. And then we have keybinds. I'm not gonna hide them since we need them for the tutorial. So C is for color. As you can see, we're getting beautiful, colorful shapes. Then we have fisheye. It really looks satisfying because Scratch is never 3D. Then we have Whirl. But before we go to Whirl, if you're wondering how I made it go back, you press R, reset. Okay, now here's Whirl. It looks like a tornado. Or maybe a vortex. It looks satisfying though. Now we have pixelate. And if you can read this text, you're God. And I'll follow you on YouTube. Just tell me it. Okay, time's up. And then we have Mosaic. which actually looks super cool. It looks like a TV is glitching. And then we have ghost. We'll make it fades away. And then brightness. I'm thinking of doing backwards keybinds, but so far there's only reset. So some bugs and other issues is that I'm trying to figure out which goes where in the front layer. So that's pretty much all, but I hope you enjoyed this. This is how to use ImagePost demo version. I'll be uploading a 1.0 version. Feel free to do the example codes, and if you have a Scratch account, post any feedback, or if you have a YouTube account. And I'm signing out. Bye!